Hi to all the viewers of Priyadarshini Boutique, and this is Indrani. And today I'm going to show you some exclusive sarees as usual. So we have some Tasser work sarees, needle work sarees actually. And we have some Kashmiri sarees and some Benares sarees also. And some Kora Benares sarees. So please join us. সবাইকে স্বাগত আমাদের প্রিয়দর্শিনীর লাইভ শোতে। কালকে হয়নি শো, সিচুয়েশন আপনারা জানেন কীরকম চলছে, নতুন করে কিছু বলার নেই। তবে আপনাদের একটা কথা বলবো, অনেকে অনেক রকম বক্তব্য মন্তব্য করেন, তার মধ্যেও আমি কিছু কথা আপনাদের বলতে চাই। যখন আমরা বেঁচে আছি ততক্ষণ কিন্তু আমাদের কাজ চালিয়ে যেতে হবে, এবং পাঁচজনের মুখে যে কোনো প্রতিকূলতা আসুক না কেন, বাঁচা ছেড়ে দিলে চলবে না। অনেক রকম নেগেটিভিটি আসবে, সেগুলোকে দূরে সরিয়ে রেখে পজিটিভ দিকগুলো ভাবতে হবে, পজিটিভিটির দিকে ভাবতে হবে এবং এগিয়ে চলতে হবে। এবং আমি এই থিওরিতে বিশ্বাস করি, এবং এই বিশ্বাস করে কে কি বললো না বললো এত কানে আমি নিই না। কারণ আমার সঙ্গে আমার চলার পথে প্রচুর মানুষ আছেন যারা আমার সঙ্গে পথ চলেন এবং আমার উপর নির্ভর করে পথ চলেন, তো আমাকে এগিয়ে যেতে হবে। তো আপনাদের যাদের মনে হচ্ছে যে আমি শো করছি, খারাপ লাগছে বা নেগেটিভ লাগছে ব্যাপারটা, তাহলে কাইন্ডলি প্লিজ দেখবেন না। কিন্তু যাদের মনে হচ্ছে একটুও, তাদেরকেও আমি সাজেস্ট করবো তারা দেখুন। কারণ কি, মনের জানলাটা খুলে রাখে, এতটাই খুলে রাখতে হবে যাতে এতটা বেশি আলো আসে যে আপনার পুরো জীবনটা আলোয় ভরে যায় এবং আপনার মধ্যে পজিটিভিটিতে আপনি ভরে যান। আপনি নিজে পজিটিভ থাকবেন, আরও পাঁচজনকে পজিটিভ করবেন। তো এটা নতুন কিছু কথা নয় যে নেগেটিভিটি আসে বা ডিপ্রেশনে মানুষ চলে যায়, এটা কিন্তু নতুন কিছু কথা নয়। এটা আদি অন্তকাল থেকে চলে আসছে। আর এখন যেটা চলছে প্যান্ডামিক সিচুয়েশান, আমরা জানি সেই সিচুয়েশানটাকে দেখে শুনে সবসময় চিন্তা করতে হবে, ছোটো কিছুর মাঝখানে পজিটিভিটি খুঁজতে হবে। আজকে আমি সকালবেলা যখন আমার বাগানে ফুল তুলছি, আমি পোস্ট করেছি, যারা আমার ফেসবুক ফ্রেন্ড আছেন দেখেছেন, আমি বলছি ইট গিভস মি পজিটিভিটি। রিয়েলি যে কোনো জিনিস থেকে আপনি যদি পজিটিভিটি খুঁজে পান, দেখবেন আপনার মনটা অনেক ভালো হয়ে যাচ্ছে। কারণ কি বলুন, চারিদিক থেকে আপনি কিন্তু নেগেটিভ কথাবার্তা শুনছেন। যখনই পজিটিভিটি পাবেন, আজকে যখন শাড়িগুলো দেখাচ্ছি, হয়তো সবাই কিনতে পারবেন না, কিন্তু ওইগুলো দেখেও অন্তত মানুষের মধ্যে পজিটিভিটি বাড়বে। তো এইটুকু বলবো যারা নেগেটিভ মানুষ তাদের জন্যে, তো কাইন্ডলি যদি দেখেন আমার মনে হয় ভালো লাগবে। তো তাড়াতাড়ি শুরু করে দেবো শোটা। সো লেট গেট স্টার্টেড। আর সবাইকে বলবো সেফ থাকবেন, খুব ভালো থাকবেন, আনন্দে থাকবেন। সো লেট গেট স্টার্টেড উইথ আ বিউটিফুল টাসার শাড়ি। So here I start with a beautiful tassel sari. So this is the first one. Right now I'm showing you all the first sari of today's show, today's live. So this is on pure Gachi by Gachi tassel material, and the work which you are watching right now, it's called Gotapati work with a mirror also are there for on the border area. And all over the body has got the Gotapati butas and the mirror work also. And see the color. So I will tell you the color actually. So this is actually peach tone. Peach, you can say it's a strawberry peach kind of color. So it has a beautiful color on tassar based. A beautiful tassar color. Just take a look for the sari. So this is on pure tassar based. And see the back part, see the reverse part of the sari, then you can get to know about the work, about the intricacy of the work. Just take a look for the sari. অপূর্ব দেখতে, ভীষণ সুন্দর, কতটা নিখুঁত কাজগুলো করা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন। এই লকডাউনের মধ্যেও আমার কারিগররা ভোরবেলা ঘুম থেকে উঠে বাইকে করে মানে মাইলের পর মাইল বাইক চালিয়ে এসে শাড়িগুলো জমা দিয়ে যাচ্ছে। বুঝতে পারছেন কত কষ্ট করছে, কেন? দুটো অন্যের যাতে দুমুঠো খেতে পায়, সেই জন্য কষ্ট করে খেতে পায় যাতে। তো এই মানুষগুলোর দিকে তাকিয়েও আপনারা কাইন্ডলি যারা নিতে পারছেন না, নেগেটিভ কথাবার্তা বলবেন না, দেখুন, চক্ষু সার্থক করুন, মনকে ভালো রাখুন, সেটাই আমি বলবো আপনাদের। তো আমরা বাস্তবটা দেখি কতটা মানুষ কিভাবে রয়েছেন। অনেকে অনেক রকম কথা বলেন, কিন্তু রিয়েলি বাস্তবটা আমরা জানি যে কতটা কঠিন বাস্তবটা। সো দিস ইজ দ্য ফার্স্ট ওয়ান। রাইট নাও আই এম শোয়িং ইউ ওয়ান 11,500 for the price range. This is 11,500 for the price range. This is the first sari. Moving on to the next. On the same design, I will show you one more color. So this is absolutely peach tone. Just take a look for the peach tone. It has a lovely peach tone. So those people who are asking for peach color only, so you can have it. Just take a look for the color. It has a beautiful peach tone, amazing peach tone, and it is muted color because of tussar. So being a tussar material, it is muted. It's not very much vibrant color. It's a very much muted, sober and soothing color. And same work has been done. The similar work from the previous sari. As you can see, the border, the same work has been done, and the mirror has been done beautifully. A beautiful sari with a beautiful texture for the tussar lover. I am also a tussar lover actually. Tussar শাড়ি ভীষণ ভালো লাগে পরলে, ভীষণ সুন্দর শাড়ি, টেক্সচারটা ভীষণ সুন্দর, কাজ অপূর্ব। কাল থেকে হয়তো এই টাইমে আপনারা লাইভ দেখতে পাবেন, কখনো লাইভ যেরকম পরিস্থিতি চলবে আমি দেখাতে থাকবো, কখনো লাইভ কখনো ভিডিও এইভাবেই ছাড়তে থাকবো, কারণ যতদিন আছি আমি কিন্তু কাজ আমার চালিয়ে যাবো। So this is the sari number 2. This is sari number 2. Right now you are seeing in the screen, and this is the blouse piece with the border, and price will be same 11,500 for the price range. So if anybody used to buy this sari, so if you can book this sari on this number, that is 9830374721. That is our WhatsApp number. That is also our calling number. You can book your desired sari as that number. One more tussar sari right now I'm showing you all. So this is on pure Gachi by Gachi tussar material, and here you can see the Meenakari embroidery, the Meenakari Kashmiri work has been done, which is very rich, very much intricate work, and it has been done with a beautiful threads like red, blue and the Firozi color are there for the work. Just take a look for the threads which has been used. On the border area, just take a look for the border, and all over the body has got, just take a look for the body portion. So you can have this beautiful paisleys which is running throughout the body, and this part is for the palla area. I will show you the palla. Very intricate with the paisleys, lovely paisleys. And here you can see the shaded color throughout the palla area. You can see the shaded color, which is very lovely. Just take a look for the shaded colors. It has a lovely shaded color for the palla area, and the border will be in the same color, and the body will be in charcoal grey color. It's a charcoal grey color, and it is on pure Gachi by Gachi tussar material. And this part is for the blouse piece. What you will be having with this sari. This is with a multicolor, like shaded color with brownish yellow, bright yellow. So this is the blouse piece. 9500 for the price range. 9500 for the price range. If in case you are interested to book any of them, so please take the screenshot and send it to us. That is our booking procedure. If you are not able to take the screenshot, it doesn't matter. You can call us in the same number and book your desired sari with a description. So right now I am showing you all an exclusive sari with thread work, hand embroidery. Just take a look for the sari. I will show you. This is the first time which I am showing you all. With beautiful Kathiawar embroidery has been done on the border area, and the palla area will be full of work. With Kathiawar embroidery has been done very beautifully, and multicolor thread has been used. Just take a look for the sari with the white base, and for the material I will just tell you about the material. This is on half tussar, and it has got the selvage both the side, including the palla. And just take a look for the sari. So it will appear like this, so you can have it. So guess how it will look after draping the sari. This is how the sari look. And I will show you the full draping view of the sari, then you can get to know how it will look after draping. So like this. So it will move like this. So when you drape the sari, you will be getting this kind of look. And you can also have you can also wear this kind of yellow blouse with this sari also. It will looks very cool. You know, it's reflecting color, which is reflect your complexion also. So it will goes very good with the sari. 4200 for the price range. And you will be getting 1 meter blouse piece along with the sari, and which will appear, the bars will appear both the sleeves. 4200 for the price range. And we have one more half kasar sari with a new arrival design. Just take a look for this sari. So this is on peach color. This is on peach color. So this is a peach color. Right now you're showing. Right now you're seeing the color. This is peach color, and see the border portion. I will show you the intricate border with the floral design, with the multicolor thread has been used, where both the side and all over the body has got the floral motifs are there. With the in between the floral motifs there are some mirror. And just take a look for the border. I will show you the border again. Then you can understand, you can get to know about the design. These are actually new arrivals design for upcoming puja. These are all new designs. So this is how the palla look. Once more I will show you the reverse part of the sari, then you can get to know. This is completely handwork. See the threads, and this is completely handwork. Kathiawar embroidery has been done. You can say it's a Kathiawar embroidery. Just take a look for the border. Very much colorful and soothing also for the color, and for the material it is very much comfortable. So you can drape it when you drape the sari, you can feel a cool feeling because of the material. This is very good for the summer season. So you can wear it in the summer season. You can wear it in the whole day. So you will be comfortable. So this is how the sari look. It is for those people who are searching for the hand stitches sarees. So this is a beautiful and amazing hand stitch sarees. Right now I'm showing you all. So this is one piece we have. So if you asking for this saree, and you just kindly take the screenshot and send it to us. If the saree is available to us, definitely we take the order from you. So we have a beautiful Kathiawar embroidery saree with a floral design on pure Resham Kota material. So see the work. So it is completely hand embroidery. This is not machine embroidery. This is hand embroidery, and floral motifs are there with Kathiawar embroidery, with the mirror work, with shaded thread has been used like yellow, brown, tone on tone shades. So which gives you a sober look, sober with a gorgeous look. Just take a look for the sari, for the threads which has been used, and for the middle part of the flower. So there is so many mirror are there for the middle part of the flower. And this is how the sari look. This is the entire look of the sari. And here you can see the selvage over there with the mustard yellow color, and see the entire look of the sari. I will show you the entire look of the sari, and you can understand how beautiful it is. So this is very pretty. So we can team it up with a yellow blouse, or one mustard blouse, or orange blouse also. So it will goes very good with the sari. So this is how the sari look. Moving on to the next, this is also a new arrival sari, new arrival design actually. So see the design. These are really amazing design it has. These are all new arrival saris. Just take a look for the saris, and easy to drape and easy to maintain saris actually. So being a Resham Kota sari, these are actually lightweight saris, easy to carry. So if you wear it in the whole day, for the whole day, so you'll be very much comfortable with this sari, with the material. So just take a look for the border area. So we have done a beautiful design for the border, and with Kathiawar embroidery and fishbone and Gujarati work, and somewhere you can find it out with lots of katha and mirror are there. So many stitches are there for the border, and both the side having the border having the selvage with maroon color, and all over the body has got Gujarati work and the mirror work. Gujarati and the mirror.
3450.
3457 for the price.
3450.
3450 for the price range. So moving on to the next, one more Resham Kota sari. Right now I'm showing you all with a beautiful scallop design. The main attraction of the sari is the color, and I will tell you one thing for the scallop. So it gives you a something different look from other sarees. So just take a look for the scallop design. So it has double border. So as you can see here, so there you can see here that it has got double border. One border, then another border with the Parsi work. Just take a look for the borders. So main attraction of the saree is the border and the color also. It has a very much nice and soothing color combination. Just take a look for the sarees, take a look for the scallop design and the Parsi work, which has been done very intricately with the threaded with the using of shaded threads of threaded shades. Just take a look for the saree. So you can team it up with a same color blouse also, with a white blouse also. It will gives you a smart look. So this is how the saree look. 4500 for the price range. 4500 for the price range. We have one more Resham Kota saree with the same design with a different color. So these are new arrival saree for the upcoming puja. So these are really exclusive sarees. Just take a look for the scallop design. It has got also double border like scallop design and the Parsi work. So here you can see the double border for the over there, both the side, and see the color. It has a very sweet kind of mustard yellow color, very sweet mustard yellow, which is very much reflecting for your complexion. So you can just drape, when you drape the saree, then you can get this kind of look for the saree. So I would suggest you I will suggest you, so you can wear it with the same color, then you will look very good. 3500 for the saree. 3500, sorry, I'm so sorry, the previous saree is also on 3500. 3500 for the saree. Now I'm going to show you some Banarasi sarees with exclusive color. So we restock a purple color saree. So many people had requesting me for showing purple color Banarasi saree. So it is very much difficult to get this purple saree in lockdown season, lockdown time. So it is very much difficult. So we get one just saree. We have got one more saree in purple color. So those people who are asking for purple color saree, so we can book this saree. So this is a purple Banarasi saree with lots of butta with the sleek borders both the side, and it has got the selvage with the Rani pink color, and this is the পাল্লা এরিয়া। খুবই শক্ত এখন এই সময় লকডাউনের সময় আপনাদের পছন্দের কালারগুলোকে বোনানো তো হয়তো তৈরি হয়ে আছে, বা তাদের আমি বেনারসে বলছি এমন পরিস্থিতি, বেনারসে কিন্তু লকডাউন অনেক আগে থেকেই হয়েছে, আমাদের লকডাউন রিসেন্টলি হয়েছে কিন্তু বেনারসে লকডাউন অনেক আগে থেকে হয়েছে, যার জন্য আমাদের মাল আনা নেওয়ার খুব প্রবলেম হয়ে যাচ্ছে। ঠিক আছে, খুবই কষ্ট করে এগুলো বানাতে হয়, অনেক কষ্ট করে বানানো, লুকিয়ে ছুপিয়ে করানো আনানো খুবই কঠিন পরিস্থিতি। And this is the blouse piece. Right now you are seeing This is the herringbone weave blouse piece which you will be having with this sari. And this is how the sari look. So if you are interested to book this sari, so just take the screenshot and send it to us at our WhatsApp number, that is 9830374721. I hope you all have this my number. So if you are not getting my number, so I will repeat my number, that is 9830374721. And I would request you all to listen carefully. I just repeat how to book the sari. So if you are interested to book any of the sari from today's show, so you have to do one thing, you have to take the screenshot and send it to us at our WhatsApp. This is the booking procedure. If you are not able to take the screenshot, it doesn't matter. You can book your desired sari as given number with the description of the sari, of that sari whichever you want to book. That is the booking procedure. যদি শাড়িটা পছন্দ হয়, শাড়িটা যদি আপনার স্ক্রিনশট না নিতে পারেন, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই, আপনারা সেই শাড়িটা একটা ডেসক্রিপশন দিয়ে আমাদের ফোন করে জানান, ভয়েস মেসেজও পাঠাতে পারেন। এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের বুকিং প্রসিডিওর। আর আমরা আপনাদের বলে দিচ্ছি কিভাবে শাড়িটা ডেলিভার হবে। যেহেতু লকডাউন পিরিয়ড চলছে, উই আর নট able to give the sari through COD, so that in this time COD facility is not available to us, so we deliver the sari through courier. So you have transferred the money through bank transfer either or Google Pay or Phone Pay, and we deliver the sari through courier. So that is the procedure. I think it is clear to you all. So this is for 13,000. This is for 13,000. যেহেতু এখন চলছে আমাদের লকডাউন, বুঝতে পারছেন, শাড়িটা ডেলিভার কিন্তু এখন হোম ডেলিভারি এভাবে যাবে না। আপনাদের যেটা হবে, যেটা আমাদের সিওডি ছিল কলকাতার মধ্যে, সেটা এই মুহূর্তে যেহেতু লকডাউন চলছে হচ্ছে না, আমরা কোরিয়ারে পাঠাতে পারবো। একদিনের মধ্যে শাড়ি আপনারা পেয়ে যাবেন কনফার্ম, এটা যেটা আপনারা কলকাতার মধ্যে। আর কলকাতা ছাড়া বাইরে যারা আছেন তাদের জন্য বলবো কোরিয়ারে যাচ্ছে, শিপিং চার্জ অ্যাবসলিউটলি ফ্রি এখন। So this is one more exclusive Tassar sari, Tassar Banarasi sari. Right now you are seeing in the skin. So that is in Tassar base color and contrasted with the red color. And here you can see the chorka butas, which is karwa, which is also called karwa butas. And see the border, which is exclusive border that you are having with the sari. Both the side with the same border. I'm so sorry, the front border which will appear in the front part, that will be like this. It is a small border than the lower border. And this is how the palla look. It has a lovely palla with a red color, with a vermilion red. This is perfectly vermilion red. So vermilion red ta ki ami bole dicchi, vermilion red hocche সিঁদুরে লাল, একদম সিঁদুরে যে লালটা, that is called vermilion red. So this is vermilion red. So if you are asking for vermilion red contrasted with the tassar color, so you can have this sari. So we have only one piece sari for each design, each color combination. কোরিয়ারে শাড়ি চলে যাবে একদিনের মধ্যে, যারা কলকাতার বাইরে আছেন তারা 1-2 দিনের মধ্যে চলে যাবে। কিন্তু এই মুহূর্তে আপাতত আমাদের হোম ডেলিভারিটা বন্ধ আছে, যেহেতু আমাদের বুঝতে পারছেন কোভিড সিচুয়েশন, লকডাউন চলছে, খুবই প্রতিকূলতার মধ্যে কাজ করতে হচ্ছে। একদম নিশ্চিন্ত হয়ে বুকিং করবেন, যারা নেন বহুদিন থেকে নিচ্ছেন, গত বছরও সেম প্রবলেম হয়েছিল, এটা কোনো সমস্যাই নয়, সমস্যাটা সমাধান হয়ে যায়। এমন কেউ নেই যিনি শাড়ি পাননি বা কোনো ব্যাপার, কারণ দায়িত্ব পুরোপুরি আমাদের। শাড়ি পৌঁছে দেওয়া অবধি, আপনি যখন বুক করছেন পৌঁছে দেওয়া অবধি দায়িত্ব কিন্তু আমাদের। This is one more Tassar sari. This is one more Tassar Banarasi sari. Right now we are seeing in the skin. This is a beautiful color which you will be having with this contrasted color with the red, and the body portion will be in green color, the shaded green. As you can see, it's a mixture color. It is dual tone effect. It has a dual tone effect, yellow with the green. The dual tone effect, which is very much reflecting, which gives you a very nice look, and which is contrasted with red color. And as you can see, the palla and the blouse piece will be like this, with a broad border with a blouse piece. And this is how the palla look. Just take a look for the palla area, with the bold butas which is running throughout the body. And this is it has got a nice texture on it. Just take a look for the texture. A beautiful Tassar Banarasi sari with a nice texture. I hope you can understand. You can just understand this sari. And if you are interested to book this sari, so please book your desired sari as given number, that is 9830374721. Now I'm going to show you some Kora Benesi sari which is very much exclusive with exclusive color. Kora Benesi sari আমার সম্ভারে রাখতেই হয়, প্রত্যেকটা মানুষ প্রত্যেকদিন Kora Benesiর জন্য রিকোয়েস্ট পাঠান। So this is a beautiful sari. Right now I'm showing you all a beautiful sari with a silver border, which is very much exclusive. Silver and golden, both the zari has been used for this sari. And for the color, just take a look for the color. It has a very nice purple color. And I will tell you one thing for this sari, it has a very nice texture. It is not the normal Kora Benesi sari, so it has a very nice texture. And as you can see, the sari throughout the body will be getting Sona Rupa buttas throughout the body. And these are Corial border. This is called Corial border, real Corial border with a silver zari. And in between the floral design, you can get this golden zari also. And this is how the palla look. And this is all over blouse piece you will be getting with the sari. A very nice texture on it. এই যে লকডাউন চলে যাবে, তারপরে নতুন করে কাজ শুরু করতে যে কত সময় লেগে যাবে চিন্তা করতে পারবেন না। যেগুলো অলরেডি উইভিং করতে দেওয়া আছে, উইভিং হয়ে আসছে, সেগুলো আমরা পেয়ে যাচ্ছি একটার পর একটা পার্সেল। এখন যেগুলো পেয়ে যাবেন আপনারা, সেগুলো কিন্তু আমার এই পুজোর পরে যখন আমরা এখন করবো না, লকডাউন আছে পরে করবো বুক, কিন্তু পরে কতটা এত এক্সক্লুসিভ পাবেন সেটা কিন্তু মানে ভেরি মাচ ডাউটফুল। তো দিস ইজ হাউ দ্য শাড়ি লুক। This is how the sari look with a beautiful, you can say it's not a dark purple color, it's kind of magenta purple, magenta with the combination with the contrasted with the purple, magenta purple you can say. One more Kora Benesi sari which is very much your most desired color, your most desired design, and so many people are requesting me for showing bottle green Benesi sari, so that we have restock it. Just take a look for the sari, just take a look for the color. It has a lovely bottle green color which is very much reflecting for your complexion. So many of you had requesting me for showing bottle green color Benesi sari with a small border. So this is also a medium kind of border, both the side and all over the body has got small buttas. Just take a look for the sari. আপনারা রিভিউও দেন আমাকে যারা পেয়েছেন অলরেডি শাড়িগুলো। তাসের আপনার কোরা বেনারসি, তাসের বেনারসি খুব ভালো টেক্সচার, দিদি ভীষণ ভালো শাড়ি হয়েছে। তো এগুলো খুব ভালো লাগে আমাদের আরো কাজে এগিয়ে নিয়ে যাওয়ার জন্য, কারণ আমি আপনাদের বলেছিলাম আমার নিজস্ব 4টে লুম আমার চলছে কোরা বেনারসির জন্য, কারণ কোরা বেনারসির প্রচন্ড চাহিদা। একটা প্রিয়দর্শিনী একটা জায়গা তৈরি করে ফেলেছে কোরা বেনারসিতে। অ্যান্ড দিস ইজ দ্য ব্লাউজ পিস উইচ ইউ উইল বি হ্যাভিং উইথ দিস শাড়ি। প্রিয়দর্শিনী বুটিকের একটা জায়গা তৈরি হয়েছে যেটা হচ্ছে কোরা বেনারসি শাড়ির জন্য। সো দিস ইজ হাউ দ্য শাড়ি লুক উইথ 10,000।
পিছনের শাড়িটা বলে দিন তো, 4,500।
And this is 4-ply silk with 4,500 range.
ব্যাগটা
And this is also 4,500 range with 4-ply silk. The famous Paisley design. Right now I'm showing you all a exclusive color sari, that is peach color. It's a light peach, pink, onion pink. It's a various kind of color which is very much soothing and sober and reflecting for your complexion. Just take a look for the sari. It's a lovely color. You can say it's a very much pretty sari. Just take a look for the sari with the bold buttas, very much sophisticated color. For the fair complexion ladies, I would suggest you to have this sari. So you will look much more beautiful with this sari. যারা ফর্সা তারা তো আরো সুন্দরই লাগবেন, আর নর্মাল আমাদের মতো কমপ্লেক্সন কেও কিন্তু খুব সুন্দর লাগবে। So this is really amazing sari. So if you get this sari, you can understand what I'm saying to now. So this is how the sari look, and you will be having this blouse piece along with the sari, running blouse piece along with the sari, and price will be same 10,000 for the price range. And see the border. অনেকেই চান সরু বর্ডার, সো সি দ্য বর্ডার, and this is also 10,000 range. So we have a beautiful Katan Benarasi saree. Right now I'm showing you all a beautiful Katan Benarasi with red color. Wow, wow, what a look of the saree. Beautiful, beautiful. I can't explain the beauty of this saree. So this is on pure Katan, and just see the border and the buttas, which is in lotus motif, which is running throughout the body, and with lots of buttas. So with a closer volume, just take a look for the buttas, which is around the body portion you will be having with a great look. And just take a look for the saree. So personally I just I like to wear this kind of Katan Benarasi saree. Today also what I'm wearing today, this is also a Katan Benarasi saree with a yellow color, lovely yellow color, and this is also Katan Benarasi with lovely vermilion red, and see the border. So this is something different from the other saree, something different with the weaving, and I will show you the back part of the saree so you can get to know the intricacy of the work. So just take a look for the saree and just guess how intricate the work is. These are from Master Weavers. Just take a look for the saree. This is on pure Katan, and it has an amazing quality for the saree. And you believe me, the work and the color also is awesome. And here you can having this blouse, beautiful blouse, which gives you a very gorgeous look with all over blouse piece. And here you can see the blouse piece, 1 meter blouse piece you will be having with a very gorgeous look. ভীষণ সুন্দর দেখতে শাড়িটা, অসাধারণ দেখতে, কোনো কথা হবে না, এতটাই সুন্দর, ভীষণ ইন্ট্রিকেট. And here you can see the selvage with the magenta color. So you can having the selvage both the side with magenta color. And this is how the saree look. And this is how the saree look. It's really amazing saree. অপূর্ব দেখতে শাড়িটা. 19,000 for the saree. 19,000 for the saree. Now I'm going to show you the last saree of this category. So this is on pure Muga Tassar with a lovely peach tone. So in today's show I have shown some beautiful shade of peach. So this is something different with a peach tone. 3-4 রকমের peach দেখিয়েছি, বাস প্রত্যেকটা peach কিন্তু different shade. So this is something different with a peach tone, as you can see, with the chorka buttas are there, which is very bold. And see the border area both the side. So it has been used, you can say it's pearl zari. It's called pearl zari. It's very much sober and sophisticated color with the zari color. Just take a look for the zari. একদম খুব গোল্ডেন নয়, সিলভার নয়, পার্ল গোল্ড বলে এটাকে, পার্ল গোল্ড কালার, which gives you a very sophisticated look. And for the material it is very much so, मतलब কি বলবো, এটা খুব হালকা, খুব মানে ইজি টু মেনটেন, ইজি টু ক্যারি করতে পারবেন খুব ইজি ভাবে, ভীষণ ভীষণ সুন্দর এই ম্যাটেরিয়ালটা, মানে মুগা তাসেরের পুরো আমি দিবানি, একদম দারুণ লাগে আমার মুগা তাসের. And this is the blouse piece which will be having 19,000 for the price range. 19,000 for the price range. So this is how the saree look. 19,000 for the price range. Now I'm going to show you exclusive Pundru Khadi saree, which is your most desired saree. This is the first saree. Right now I'm showing you all with a mustard yellow contrasted with maroon. Mustard yellow contrasted with maroon, which is very much beautiful, and your most favorite, most desired saree. 4500 for the price range. So we have 1 meter blouse piece along with every saree. This is one more Pundru Khadi with a lovely contrasted color. It has a lovely charcoal grey, from the distance area, when you see the sari, then you can understand it is a black sari, but it is not a black. It is actually charcoal gray color, which is very dark with a charcoal gray, and contrast it with a beautiful red. It's a blood red contrast. It's a very amazing contrast it has. Just take a look for the palla and the tassel are there for the end of the palla, and you will be getting 1 meter blouse piece, and 4500 for the price range. With this sari, a beautiful sari with lovely color combination. This sari brings you the ends of this show. So it has a lovely checks design throughout the body, and both the side having the border with you can say it's a bluish indigo blue color. It's an indigo blue color, and all over the body has got the checks. And here you can see the hand woven temple are there. So this is called Pundu Khadi with 4500 range. So this brings you the end of this episode. So thank you so much for watching us. So please do share our show. If you like our show, so put a little comment, just put a like. Thank you so much. Keep watching, keep and খুব ভালো থাকবেন, আর কি বলবো, খুব সেফ থাকবেন। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। নমস্কার।